In this video, we'll explore various settings on your device, making it easier for you to customize and manage your preferences. Let's dive in. Start by opening the sidebar menu. Go to the App section. Click on the Settings icon to access your device settings. Wireless and Network Settings. Within Wireless and Network Settings, you'll find options for Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Hotspot, Bluetooth, and VPN. You can configure and manage these network-related settings here. Personal Settings. In the Personal Settings category, you can change your wallpaper. You have the choice between static and dynamic wallpapers in different categories. Bottom Swipe Up and Multi-Window Mode. To enable bottom swipe up, simply select this option. You can also toggle the multi-window mode on or off. The control code setting is useful for third-party controllers. Boot logo settings allow you to change the logo displayed when you power on your device. Sidebar tool hiding settings. Customize the sidebar menu hide duration according to your preferences. Input and output settings. Enable or disable touch sounds using the toggle button. Sound output settings let you choose between internal, external, or mixed sound output. You can also rename input devices connected to your device in input name settings. Adjust the HDMI out format to your preferred resolution. Application settings. Manage your installed application settings for a personalized experience. System settings. Under System settings, you can configure time and date, language and keyboard settings, lock screen password, startup and shutdown settings, pixel shift, email settings, and storage settings. Explore options like system updates, factory reset, and security settings. Embedded OS. Avoid turning off the embedded OS unless you have an alternative functioning operating system. Enabling third-party apps. To install third-party apps, toggle the apps from unknown sources setting. Administrator settings. Set a password in Administrator settings, which you'll need to enter each time you access this section. You can also change your password from the Change Password option. Wake Online. Activate Wake Online with a simple click on the toggle button to wake up your device remotely. Auto Remove File feature. This feature automatically deletes local files exceeding the storage period when your device is turned off. Clear all login data when power off. Automatically delete cloud OneDrive data and browser data when powering on or off. Configure the data deletion schedule to suit your needs. About section. Access essential system information, including legal information, module number, Android version, kernel version, and build number. These settings provide you with the tools to personalize your device and make it work the way you want it to.